wanna love me, baby, when you with me, got no worries. I love it when you touch me, feeling so lovely. Make me wanna love me, make me feel lucky. Let me catch your fire.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a glittery smoky eye tutorial with the Poppin' Red lips. It's perfect for the holidays, it's perfect for Christmas. I use the NYX Glitter. I bought it from Target. It's actually very affordable. First, I'll start by using the Clinique Pep Start Hydro Blur Moisturizer to reduce puffiness. And of course, clipping my hair back. Next, I'll be using my favorite Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So I got this Makeup Forever glitter that's worth $15 compared to the NYX, which is worth $5 from Target, but the particles are much larger. After moving and after finals, I'm sure everybody understands breakouts and pimples. So we're going to start with the eyebrows first. I'm going to do the outline of the bottom and top part and then fill it in right after. And then afterwards I'll use a brush to spread the product evenly and do a fade effect right in the front of the brows. Then I'll be going in with the E.L.F eyeshadow primer. In addition, I'll be using a transition color from the Norvina palette called Incense. Be sure to blend in the crease of your eyelids and use a clean brush to blend everything out. For the black eyeshadow base, I'll be using the James Charles palette, which has a lot of grease on it for my fingers. Try to fill in the base area where your eyeball and your eyelid is at. That way if you want to add more you can, but with less you do less mistakes. Be sure to blend with a clean brush as well. Alright, so it's glitter time. I'll be using the NYX Glitter Glue from Target, and I'll be applying the glue first for a better application. By using this process, the glitter tends to show more. I'm using the HUDA Beauty Foundation, and since I'm out of liquid eyeliner, I decided to use a pencil liner, and I just used a brush to mimic the tip of a liquid liner brush. So before applying my lashes, I'm going to curl them and apply mascara. I'm using a pencil eyeliner from my bottom. This one's from Rimmel London. It's called Unstoppable. I'll be using an Instant Age Rewind to highlight. I like using this concealer because it has a matte finish. To be honest, my favorite part is blending everything out. This is one of the coolest setting powder I ever tried. This is the Becca setting powder. It has like a cooling hydration feeling on your skin, and I didn't take the text seriously, but it's pretty cool. Since this foundation was too dark for me, I decided to use it as a contour. This also has a matte finish to it. I like to contour underneath my chin as well. It makes me look much slimmer. And then I'm going to use this blush from Milani, my favorite. It's almost out. I think it's time for a new one. And my favorite Fenty Beauty highlighter. Keep in mind, I had many of these products for over 2 years or so. I accumulate them as I go, but these have been my favorite and I like to use them all before I buy more. So now it's time for the lipstick. I'll be using a lip liner from MAC. This is in the color red with 2 D's. And the lipstick I'll be using is also from MAC. It's called Red Rock. To finish off the look, I'll be using Skin&Company brand Truffle Therapy Illuminating Refresh Mist. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and thank you for tuning in and watching this tutorial. Comment down below for any requested makeup looks. I do have plans to do more makeup tutorials, like let's say I want to do a glittery lip next, so stay tuned and keep a lookout for that video. Thank you guys. Love you so much. Mwah.